I want to film an update for you guys. Scooby? Oh, good girl. Oh, this is Scooby-Doo. This is my little assistant here. So, this is about the Takegawa Sports Exhaust. As you can see, it uses the heat shield. Let's let it focus. There we go. It uses the heat shield from the stock exhaust. You can tell because mine is still all beat to hell. Something you will need to do. So we have these two mounts. They have some rubber parts. They have a little rubber thing in there, and some kind of a stainless steel spacer. So you got to get that out. Other thing it's come with, something you got to consider, there's a little gasket on the exhaust that goes on the inside half over here. So it'll actually sit on the engine, and it's all like coiled up. And that thing is, it's not that big of a pain in the ass, but don't snap it. You just want to slowly unravel that thing, slowly get it out, right? Just twisting it out. The one that the Takegawa Sports Exhaust comes with is just brown, sticks right in beautifully, real nice and easy. What else we got here? You can definitely tell if this ain't stock. Like, come from the back here, like that don't look like the stock. It's a little bit nicer. So one thing I was kind of hoping for was to get a nicer set of these. Didn't exactly happen. Oh well, is what it is. You know, I ain't exactly disappointed. I'm still pretty happy with this. Although it makes me kind of wonder that maybe I put this upside down. I don't know, I'll figure that out. I'm not 100% sure if that one went on the right way or not. I sure hope it did. One of the parts you're gonna have to do, I gotta show you guys this. So, there's this cover over here. This one, all right? So, somewhere back here, there is a JAS. It looks like a Phillips, but you guys please don't use a Phillips head. It's a JAS. I'm sure if you work on these bikes enough, you know the difference. And then there's a little push clip right there. Okay, so get that Phillips looking JAS out, and then you get this push clip. You push it in, comes right out. I just use my fingernail. That was real easy. Might not be a bad idea to, while you're doing it, check your brake fluid level. You see, I'm at a decent place, you know. Yeah, if I wasn't being me, maybe I would fill that up, but I'm just not feeling like filling it up, so I'm not gonna do it. This cover is easy enough to pop off anyway. To get this cover off, you push up and pull out, and it gets it out. See, these two guys will sit here and here, and then you have these two little spots, which is actually, I guess, I don't know if it broke off or what, but I got just one on mine, so I'm pretty sure it broke off. These things really not that necessary. I don't see why it would be necessary. It's easy enough to get this off, and without the one clip, it's still sturdy enough, so not a problem. The kickstart, it's not really an issue over here. However, if you did happen to bend this inward, maybe worthwhile to keep it down, maybe even flip this over. Just while you're doing it, I would just like literally rest my arm on it while I push up and pull out. That might make things go a little bit smoother. What else we got here? So yeah, first you want to get the header on, and then Scooby, leave it. Scooby. She's the wireless doorbell. Scooby-Doo, sit. Hey. Good girl. Patience. Leave it. Leave it, please. So first thing you want to do, you want to get that header on. Of course, like I said, get that gasket out, put the new gasket in. It's like it's a circular flat piece. Then what you want to do, you have over here, I don't know if you can see that. You see there's a clamp, but there's a piece in between right there. I don't know if you guys can see that black piece literally right there. I'm pointing at it with my fingernail. Maybe I can point more accurately with the Allen head. Right there. You guys see that? So you slide, that piece actually goes into the muffler, and then the clamp, I like to have this one, just the bolt facing upward. You don't want the bolt to be out because you don't want to have to take this whole exhaust cover off to access it. Just want it to be like that, and you don't want to be underneath because then you got the head sticking out. You know, sharp, pointy things, even if they're not all that sharp, they are dangerous. So I like to have this one facing exactly how it is. One thing that you're gonna have an issue with 100% is this guy, this little exhaust skid. No, it's not skid. What is it? This is the crash bar. Yeah, I'm thinking 4-wheel drive, guys. Guys, I'm having a long day. I'm all tired. This is my project while I'm at work. I get a lot of downtime, but today, Memorial Day weekend, everything is just moving quick. So, you know, this install, I'd never done an exhaust before, so this thing took me all, I don't know, hour, 2 hours, really. And that's figuring this out. I'm sure if you actually didn't have to figure it out, you could probably knock this out in 30 minutes, maybe even less. So yeah, this piece, you could easily fit this. The only thing is you would have to get this guy, you gotta drill another, I think it's 8mm. Don't quote me on that, but this is an easy way to check. 8 look about right? Yeah, whatever it is. Is it 10mm, 8mm, whatever the hell it is. If I had something to measure with, I would totally do it. But you want to drill this one just slightly above that so that this actually fits on there. Not so it'd be looking at it like this, you just hang it on, you would be drilling right here on this piece. So the bottom side, this one has a little bit difficulty fitting. So that's something you're gonna have to consider when you get the Takegawa Sports Exhaust. Has a stock look, but this little crash bar, it's gonna be small issue. I figured that this thing, this is not the strongest, to be honest with you. So I don't know how well it's gonna protect the exhaust. I don't trust the exhaust to stay protected because look at that, it's a little bit wanting to move. Maybe what I'll do, I'll loosen up that clamp up there and then try to just shove the two pieces in together before I tighten it all up. Maybe that'll make it just a little more sturdy. Yeah, I might try that. This isn't my final install. I might go back and just check a few things. I still gotta torque down the exhaust header. Still gotta torque these two down. Still gotta get these guys on. Yeah. Okay, so I think that about covers most of the things you might want to know. Yeah, guys, it's pretty simple. I want to start it up and show you how she sounds. You know what? I think I'm gonna kick her. I want to kickstart this baby. So start with the battery. I'll make sure I'm in neutral. Get this guy, and one more. Oh, hit the cover. One more. Guys, I'm gonna get that. There we go. Clearly, I don't give a shit about the cosmetic appearance of my bike. But check this out. Ready? There we are. I don't know about you guys, but I much prefer this sound over the stock. I mean, it is quite a difference. I'll probably make a video about this soon, but I got a whole bunch of stuff going on over here. There's a little sneak peek what's going on in the future, so you guys can see that. All right. Yeah. I'll show you guys just one little thing here about this crash bar. So I'm going to just pivot her a little bit. All right. So you can see this. So if you really need to, if you're like me and you had one of these guys over here, and you left this guy, all you need to do is drop the skid, and you can have access to that little guy over there. So that's just a little something that I figured out. Not a big deal, just something small, but I just thought I'd show you guys. I wish I knew about that sooner. I ain't got time to fix that, but I suppose someday when I go back to my parts bin and I see, oh, there's my old rack over there, and there's my old bolt. Maybe I'll go ahead and just put the old bolt in there, get that sucker in there, and just hope for the best, Of course, we ain't got really hardly any clearance over there. But this guy pivoted over maybe a little bit more. Yeah, guys, I'm loving my bike. This thing's freaking awesome. Still got the Camry. Scooby-Doo. Watch this. Scooby-Doo. Saddle up. Yeah. A saddle? Oh, good girl. Yeah. Yeah, you want to sniff? What's that? What do you sniff? Huh? Want to give me a kiss? Ooh, kiss. Good girl. Yeah. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna end the video here. Fellas, have a nice day. And I'll catch you on the next time. Scooby, off! Good girl.